Hello guys, in this video I am going to explain about counting bits in LeetCode. The question is given here, given an integer and return an array ANS of length n plus 1. We have to return the count of set bits for n in the form of array. Say for example, if n equals to 2, we have to return the count of set bits from 0, 1 and 2. Okay, let's first understand how we have to return the count of these in the form of array. Say for example, the binary format of 0 is nothing but 0 0 0 0 0, and for 1 it is 0 0 0 1, and for 2 it is 1 0. So if you can see this here, the count of 1 is 0, and here it is 1, and here it is 1. So what we have to return is 0, 1 and 1. First understand how can we get the number of counts of 1 in a particular number. I have already done a video on that. Again I will explain. First what we have to do is we have to perform n and n minus 1, okay, until our n becomes 0. What happens if we perform n and n minus 1 is the rightmost set bit becomes unset. Then we will increment the count by 1 as it is, we can come to know that it is 1, okay. So first what I can do is I'll take a count 0 and I'll run a loop until my n should not equals to 0, okay. So I will update n every time by n and n minus 1. If it is not equals to 0, then I'll increment the count. Finally I'll return my count, okay. Say for example n equals to 7. The binary format of 7 is 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1, right? This is 7, right? So what we have to do is n and n minus 1. Now n minus 1 will be 6. The value of 6 is 0 1 1 0. So we have to perform AND operation for this, right? And so what we will get now is we will get 1 1 0. See, you can see this, the rightmost set bit became unset, okay. Yeah, is this equals to 0? No, right? So the value of this is 6. So now again I have to do with n and n minus 1. Now n is 6, right? So I have to do with 5. The value of 5 is 0 1, right? So I'll do again AND operation. So when I see that it is not n and n minus 1 is not equals to 0, I will increment count. Zero 1 0 0. Is this equals to 0? No, right? The value of this is 4. So now we have to do with AND with 3. Now what here also the count will be incremented. Okay, now we will perform AND operation for this. So now it will become 0. So we will stop here. We will increment the count, and when we check this condition again, then this condition will fail, right? So the count until now is 3. Like this we can return the count of set bits. Let's dive into the code. First I will declare an array. of size n plus 1. See, because if I want to return if n is 2, we have to return for 0, 1 and 2. So on that basis I am taking array size to be n plus 1. Okay, and I have to check for every element in an array. So for that I will take a for loop. So for every element in an array I have to find the number of set bits. Count of means that is a count of set bits. So for that I will write another function. I'll pass in here. First I'll take a count to store the value. I'll check while my n not equals to 0. Each time after performing n and n minus n, that value I am updating to the n. Okay, after performing n and n minus 1, I am incrementing my count, and finally I am returning count. So here every time I have to get the count of each element in an array, right? So for that, array of I equals to set bit count. What I will pass is, I will pass I. Finally what I will return is, I will return array. I will just run and see. It has accepted my solution, and I will submit and see. Yeah, this is the solution for this, guys.